Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add your Groupon's gift card, which means how to use your Groupon gift card. So let me show you that. First you want to go to groupon.com, log in into your account, and you can only use your Groupon gift card when you're purchasing something. So let's say I want to buy this holiday gift card. I will click on shop now, but you can purchase anything you want. And I'm going to buy this little thing, which is Adidas Sephora gift card. So I will click on it. Once I click on it, I'm going to go for the $25 gift card. And if I click on buy now, it's going to take me to the place, or basically it's going to take me to the checkout section. Over here, what I can do is add the site promo or gift code. I can click on add and add my, Groupon promo code or my Groupon gift card. After I enter the code and click on apply, if the code is correct, this Groupon gift card will be applied and I'm going to get a certain discount depending on the gift code or the gift card I redeemed. And if I click on place order, then basically my Groupon item will be bought using the gift card or the promo code. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to add Groupon gift card, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.